Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Spotify blend with your friends. It's a fun way to mix your music tastes and discover new tunes together. Let's dive right in. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the second icon from the left, which is the search icon. In the search bar at the top, type blend and hit enter. You'll see a result called blend as a genre. Tap on it. On the blend page, you'll see an option that says Create a Blend. Tap on it. Now, you need to invite your friends to join your blend. Tap on the Invite button. You can invite your friends through various platforms like WhatsApp, Messenger, email, or Discord. Choose the platform you prefer and send the invite. Once your friend accepts the invite, your blend will be created, combining your music tastes into one playlist. And that's it. You've successfully created a Spotify blend with your friends. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.